You buy plates, you got cake. Your drip Spanish, her man's H. My coupe fast, who on race? Drop that bag, two-door Wraith. Bachelor pad, big old gate. Honey girls, my roommates. Come to that cash, I know what it.
Skate Spot today. Back with another unboxing. Right here. You see by the title, Vapormax. Alright, and yeah, when you open it up, you got the paper there. These I went with the all white pair. I think these the best in my opinion. And then the bottom, you got the little bubbles on the bottom. They comfortable. And yeah, like I said, they comfortable. And I haven't really got a chance to wear them. I just wear them with joggers. I don't think they go good with pants. That's just me. But yeah, I'm gonna get it on foot after this, or I might do it in another video. But yeah, this is the bottom. This is all the bubbles like that. They comfortable, but I don't think it's an everyday shoe. Honestly, I wouldn't wear this every day. It's cool. I really wanted some Vapormaxes though. I'm gonna be trying to get the off-white pair next. So yeah, I got these from Finish Line, 190. This was the last white pair. I ain't want no real colorful pair. Like they got some neon ones. I wasn't feeling them, so I went with the all white. Yeah, if you want some Vapormaxes, you could just click the link in the description. I'm gonna have it in there to the website or whatever. And yeah, that was it for this unboxing. Quick on video coming next. Alright.
Okay. Out of my wrist, counted and spin it. Mad at the coupe, mine with no tenant. Chop out the top, hit it the limits. I got some cash, I wanna spend it. New paper tag.